Hi, dear students. So let's see this question that came in KVPY 2021 essay physics paper. A fairly easy question. There are two charges which have been kept at a distance of 2a from each other. One of them is plus q and one other is minus q. We just have to find the direction of the electric field at a point which lies at a distance of a from the center of the two charges. That means the line perpendicular bisector. Okay, at this point M. Now, very easy to see if the electric field due to this charge q will be in this direction, okay, and electric field due to minus q will be in this direction. They both will be same in the magnitude. Hence, we can say that the component along the y-axis, where this is y-axis, the component along the y-axis will be cancelled out, and component along the x-axis will get added up because the electric field will be same in magnitude. So the answer will be 0 degree. Option A will be the correct answer. Okay. Now there are some things that I would like to talk about in this question. The first is that you could have used the result of you cannot use the result of dipole. The reason is because for using the result of dipole, point M should be much far away from the center of the dipole, whereas this you can see is at a comparable distance from the center of the dipole. That means the distance of the point M from the center of the dipole is comparable to the length of the dipole. Whereas in the derivation of the results of the dipole, we make an assumption that distance of the point at which we are trying to find the potential and electric field must be at a large distance from the center in comparison to the length of the dipole. Although in this particular question, the direction of the electric field will still come out to be correct. But if you use the if you use the result of the dipole, then also the direction of the electric field will come out to be correct. That is a pure coincidence. But if you try to find the magnitude of the electric field at point M, then it will not come out to be correct using the result of the dipole. Let us quickly see what is the actual magnitude of the electric field at point M. So actual magnitude of electric field at point M can be found out if you write the electric field due to plus charge q. So that will be kq by this distance will be root 2a. Okay, so that means 2a square. Okay, and the component x in this, if you take the x component of this, that it will be cos 45. This angle is 45 degree. So we can say that this will be 1 by root 2. Similarly, same will be the component of the electric field. Same will be the component x component of the electric field due to minus charge q. So we have to multiply this by q. Hence, the electric field becomes kq by root 2 times a square. Now, this is the actual magnitude of the electric field at point M. What we will get if you use the result of the dipole? So, उस केस में result will be kp sin theta by r cube. This is the result, and theta is 90 degree in this case. Okay, so p is q into 2a, sin theta is 1, and r is a. So you can see you get the different result in this case. जो result आ रहा है that is different. You are getting 2kq by a square, whereas actual result that we find is uh, kq by root 2a square. So you can see that the result of the dipole cannot be used in this case. The reason I have already told you. That's it. Thank you.